Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will talk about the term humanism. Introduction. Humanism, a term coined in the 16th century, refers to a philosophical and educational movement centered on the humanities. Subjects such as grammar, rhetoric, history, poetry, and moral philosophy. The Renaissance humanists of that time focused on the study of classical literature, particularly in Latin, and played a crucial role in recovering, editing, and interpreting ancient texts. This video explores the characteristics of humanism in different periods, its focus on human nature, values, and education, and the contemporary challenges it faces in the midst of changing academic priorities. Renaissance humanism, reviving classical wisdom. In the 16th century, humanism was synonymous with the Studia Humanitatis and involved a comprehensive study of the classical arts and philosophy. Humanists were driven to understand the moral and imaginative aspects of human existence. Their works often drew from classical authors such as Aristotle, Plato, and Cicero, and they greatly contributed to the intellectual richness of European Renaissance. Renaissance humanism emphasized the importance of human beings in the universe and placed great value on education, particularly in the study of classical literature. The emphasis was not solely on aesthetic values, but also on the moral and practical aspects of these works. Reason was regarded as the distinctively human faculty and was given prominence over instinctual appetites and passions. Christian humanism, bridging faith and reason. Although the term humanist has evolved in contemporary times to refer to thinkers who prioritize human experience and reason, Renaissance humanists were predominantly pious Christians. They integrated pagan antiquities, concepts, and ideals into the framework of the Christian creed, leading to a synthesis known as Christian humanism. This synthesis downplayed the earlier Christian notions of the innate corruption of humanity and withdrawal from the worldly affairs. In the Victorian period, figures like Matthew Arnold championed humanism and defended the significance of humane studies in education. Arnold's ideas were rooted in the older humanist tradition, emphasizing culture as the perfection of human nature and the importance of studying the best classical antiquity. Challenges and new humanism. With the advancement of natural sciences and technology, later eras of humanistic tradition faced the challenge of defending the humanities in liberal education against the encroachments of practical sciences. The new humanism of the early 20th century, led by Irving Babbitt and Paul Elmer More, sought to revive a primarily humanistic education and uphold conservative, moral, political, and literary values based on classical literature. Contemporary critiques and diverse perspectives. In recent times, humanism has encountered criticism from post-structuralist and deconstructionist philosophies, which challenge the traditional focus on the human subject and propose alternative approaches to literary and cultural analysis. Some contemporary thinkers belonging to identity politics movements prioritize particular social, sexual, gender-specific, or ethnic identities as central to interpretation and political action. Despite these challenges, the idea of humanism and the study of the humanities continue to hold relevance in shaping well-rounded individuals. In today's academia, Humanistic studies are often a part of liberal arts curricula, providing students with a broader understanding of human nature, culture, and values. Conclusion. In conclusion, humanism emerged as a movement emphasizing the study of classical literature and the moral and imaginative aspects of human existence. Throughout different periods, it evolved to adapt to changing contexts with a continued focus on human nature, values, and education. In contemporary times, humanism faces various critiques and challenges, but its enduring significance in cultivating critical thinking and understanding human experience remains essential in shaping individuals and societies. So this was the discussion on the term humanism. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.